morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is heating up and is now giving a neutral signal. Bitcoin has gained 1.69% in the last session. The ROC transitioned sharply into positive territory. The price of gold has added 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has shifted into neutral territory. The price of crude oil has fallen 0.9% in the last session. Stochastic plunged into the negative zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Iran said it planned to roughly double oil production in the next year as the country anticipates a loosening of U.S. sanctions after Joe Biden becomes president. Brexit trade deal talks will continue overnight, but London believes the current offer from the EU remains unacceptable. The dollar drought has turned into a flood as the Fed has cut interest rates to 0% and pumped $2 trillion into world markets.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Japanese capacity utilization will be released at 4:30 GMT, the Japanese industrial production at 4:30 GMT, the Japanese tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT, the Swiss PPI at 7:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 10:00 GMT, and the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.